Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to post multiple photos on Instagram Story with one continuous song playing throughout. Open Instagram and tap the Story camera. Select Add to your story. Then select the Multiple Photos icon. That's the stacked squares. Choose all the photos you want in the order you want them to appear, then tap Arrow on bottom right. Instagram will create separate story slides for each photo. Now here's the key part: adding music to Instagram stories. Swipe up or tap the sticker icon and select Music. Choose your song and tap arrow icon on bottom right again. Adjust which part you want to play. Instagram will automatically continue the song across all your slides instead of restarting each time. This creates that smooth, continuous playback effect. You can now customize each slide, add text, stickers, or filters to make your Instagram story aesthetic stand out. Tap Done, and when everything looks good, tap arrow icon, then select your story, and just tap Share. Then Share Stories, and you're done. Your multi-photo story will now play seamlessly with one song in the background, perfect for Instagram story tips and creating engaging content. If this helped, hit subscribe for more Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching.